Hey boys and girls, today we're going to talk about past tense verbs. So I want you to mask up, find a partner, and to this partner I want you to whisper examples of past tense verbs. Now remember, past tense means it happened yesterday or a long time ago. And remember that a verb is an action word. Go ahead, mask up and whisper to your partner an example of a past tense verb. Okay, let's head back to our seats. Now let's review. Most verbs are made into the past tense by adding what? That's right, by adding an ed. Good job. But not every verb knows how to follow the rules. These verbs are called irregular past tense verbs. Remember, we've talked about irregular plural nouns before, and irregular means it's not done in the regular way. So these verbs you do not add ed to. Everybody say irregular verbs. All right, so to make an irregular verb past tense, you have to change the spelling. For an example, eat becomes ate. Do you see how the whole word changes? We never say eated, I eated a hot dog. No, we say we ate a hot dog. Here are some more examples. Sing becomes sang, do becomes did, ride becomes rode, draw becomes drew, win becomes won. Do you notice anything special about most of these words? Yeah, most of them you just have one letter that changes, right? And most of the time it's the vowel that changes. Now, do becomes did, that one's a little bit different. When you're trying to figure out the correct past tense, try putting the verb in a past tense sentence to see what sounds right. Yesterday we rided our bike? No. Yesterday we rode our bike. Last year I ated my birthday cake? No. Last year I ate my birthday cake. When he was 3, he bited his lip? No, he bit his lip. Okay, now it's your turn to try. Make becomes what? Made, you're right. Write becomes what? Wrote. And drink becomes drank. Good job. Why do we call these verbs irregular? Now remember, IR means no, or not. I'm sorry, IR means not. Go ahead, mask up and whisper to your partner why we call these verbs irregular. Okay, head back to your seats. That's right. We call these verbs irregular because they are not regular. They are not just verbs that we can add an ed to the end of it to make it past tense. We have to change the entire word. Great job. I'll see you later on, boys and girls. Bye.